Girl Group 117. I'm Ahmed Hisham.
I'm Amr Ahmed.
I'm Muhammad Salah.
Ahmed Khan.
Okay, we'll start now. Have you ever wondered why you pay too much for the electricity bill? I must inform you that one of the reasons is the number of hours you leave your appliances on without any use. Egypt faces a major dilemma of extreme energy consumption that requires urgent resolution. As a result, the purpose of the study was to implement a real-life model that would be able to arrive to an end to this problem. To do so, an energy management system combined with a plant energy generator were chosen to reduce energy consumption. Three specific design requirements were applied to the prototype, increasing the efficiency and reducing the ordinary cost of the plant system, as well as reducing excess electricity in houses. Finally, testing plans were made to assure the validity of each design requirement separately, and was fortunate, the results were promising. Now we'll jump into the problem in more details. The country faces a severe energy consumption problem that doesn't exist only in one sector of the country, but everywhere, unstoppably spilling out. The scarcity of energy problem arose when the consumption of fossil fuels grew rapidly until it became 91% of the net consumption. In addition, the consumption of oil barrels is increasing than the net production of it, as it's shown in this graph, as the red line indicates for the production and the blue line indicates for the consumption, putting Egypt's non-renewables on the line. Price solutions were implemented globally, aiming to overcome this problem. Such examples, microbial fuel cells which use bio-wastes to produce electricity. But after the evaluation of the microbial cell and concludes that it lacks a powerful output, it was determined that the key solution is a plant energy generator combined with the energy management system. The plant system harnesses power from plant's activities. It was determined that the key solution is a plant energy generator combined with the energy management system. The plant system harnesses power from plant's activities without affecting their growth, and the management system controls the use of produced electricity in the houses by using PIR, LDR, and current sensors. Three specific design requirements were applied to both prototypes, increasing the efficiency and reducing the typical cost of the plant system, as well as reducing electricity consumption in houses. Each design requirement was tested alone, and the results were appealing. Now we're going to demonstrate the materials and methods.
Now we will discuss the conclusion.
After testing the whole prototype and its design requirements, it was concluded that the plant energy generator and the energy management system, when combined together, are able to provide a brighter future for Egypt concerning its economic, industrial, and environmental basis in the sooner future. But this success didn't come easy, as we have applied some modifications in the whole project. Concerning the plant energy generator, when we have added calcium carbonate in the cathodic part in order to increase the pH gradient between the two halves, and when we added electrochemically active bacteria near the roots in order to enhance the breakage of organic compounds reaction. And lastly, when we have constructed the flat plate design mentioned before rather than the tubular one in order to decrease the internal resistance between the two halves. Also another thing, why did we combine the two projects together? In order to reduce the consumption of dependence on the fossil fuels, as we generate a new method of energy, and the energy management system, as we wanted to maintain every tiny piece of power that gets lost during the day unused. So we'll be reducing the consumption of electricity in houses and farms. But this is not the end, as we still have some recommendations which will be discussed next with the whole.